Hi everyone, today I want to share my views on the topic of science, and in science I want to share my views on the topic of velocity, which is a very important topic. Okay, so but before starting the topic I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also like my video and share my videos also. So let's start the topic velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is a rate of change of displacement with time. Okay, so velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time. And secondly, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. And thirdly, its unit is meter per second. Okay, and when the direction of velocity, okay, of vector is same as the direction of motion of body, okay, it means that the velocity's direction is same as the motion of the body, as the body movement is has to be directed. Okay, and magnitude of instantaneous velocity is same as the speed at the instant. Okay, now velocity, what is velocity at the same frequency? Velocity is the prime indicator of position. Which is the prime indicator of position as well as the rapidity of object velocity? Okay, velocity is the prime indicator of the position as well as the rapidity of object, and it is defined as the distance covered by an object in unit time. How is it is to be defined? Velocity is defined as the distance covered by an object in unit time. Okay, so meaning of rapidity. I have the another some important topics. Now first of all, rapidity. What is rapidity? Mathematically, rapidity can be defined as the hyperbolic angle that differentiate two frames of reference in relative motion, each frame being associated with distance and time coordinate. It means that when there is a hyperbolic angle that differentiates two frame of reference in relative motion, and each frame being associated with distance and time coordinate. It means that time and distance is very important in this frame, which time and distance is coordinates. Okay, so now hyperbolic angle. What is hyperbolic angle? Hyperbolic angle is a geometrical parameter. First of all, hyperbolic angle is a geometrical parameter which can be defined as a hyperbolic sector. Okay, which can be defined as a hyperbolic sector, and it shows the relationship of a hyperbolic angle to a hyperbola parallel. Okay, it shows a relationship in between hyperbolic angle to a hyperbola parallel. The third point, and the relation of a ordinary angle to a circle. It means that it all to be interrelated. That it shows the hyperbolic. It shows the relationship between hyperbolic angle to the hyperbola parallel, which shows the relation in between the ordinary angle to a circle. Okay, so and the third point is the magnitude of the hyperbolic angle. What is the magnitude of the hyperbolic angle? The magnitude of the hyperbolic angle is the area of the or corresponding sector of hyperbola xy is equal to 1. This one is the hyperbolic angle, like that. Okay, and the magnitude of the hyperbolic angle is the, what can I set, is the area of the corresponding sector of the hyperbola xy is equal to 1. It is called the hyperbolic angle. Okay, so this one is the hyperbolic angle. And hyperbolic function. What is hyperbolic function? Hyperbolic function are similar to the trigonometric function. It means that hyperbolic function is same to as to the trigonometric function or circular function. Okay, and it is similar to the trigonometric function or circular functions. And hyperbolic functions are defined as through a algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expressions. Hyperbolic functions are defined through the algebraic functions that include the exponential function ex. Exponential function is ex. Which is the exponential function here? Ex. And its inverse exponential function is e minus x. E की power minus x. It means that if we have an exponential function ex, then it converts into the e की power minus x, and where e is the Euler constant. So it's called the hyperbolic function. Now, like that, it's a exponential function x1 x y 1 minus 1 y. Okay, like that. Now, displacement is defined as the change in position of an object. It means that when the position of the object is changed, then it is called displacement. When the position of the object is changed, then it is called displacement. And displacement is also a vector quantity, and it has also a direction and magnitude. And it is represented as an arrow. By which the displacement is represented? It is represented as an arrow that points from the starting position to the final position. It means that displacement points from the starting point to the final point, where from the traveling is started, and which is the final position where we want to be reached. That where we want to be reached is the final position, and where we have to be travel is the starting point. It means that displacement is the change in position of an object, and it is a vector quantity, and it has a direction and magnitude, and it shows from an arrow, and it points from the starting point to the final point. Okay, now for example, if an object moves from A position to B, then the object position is to be changed like that. Here, this is the A position, and this is the A position, and object has to be moved, and it has to be reached to be here. Okay, this is the displacement. Okay. Now, the next one is displacement formula. How the displacement has to be concluded, or what is the formula of the displacement? कैसे निकाली जा सकती है displacement? Displacement is equal to final position minus initial position. Initial position मतलब starting position. Okay, final position minus initial position is equal to change in position. What is the formula of displacement? Final position minus initial position is equal to change in position. What is the unit of displacement? The international system of unit is the meter. It means that the unit of displacement is meter. The unit of displacement is standard unit of displacement is the meter. Displacement is usually measured as along the straight line. Okay, so meter is the unit of displacement. Now another question is what is the displacement in velocity? What is the displacement in velocity? As we all know already that displacement is the vector difference in between the ending and starting point of an object. Okay, as you all know the displacement formula, that it is the difference in between the ending point and the starting position of the object, and it may be very different from the distance the object has traveled along the way. It means that it is very different position from the distance of object has traveled along the way. So velocity is the rate at which displacement changes with time. It means that, as you all know, that displacement is the difference in between the ending position and the starting position of an object, and it may be differ from the distance traveled by the object along the way. Okay, जो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया जाता है ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा, उस डिस्टेंस से ये डिफरेंट होता है. सो वेलोसिटी इज द रेट at which displacement changes with time. So what is the velocity according to displacement? Velocity is the rate at which displacement changes with time. So what is the displacement symbol? So displacement symbol is delta x, column delta x, delta x. It means delta x is the symbol of the displacement. Delta x is the symbol of displacement. Okay, and it shows the direction, and displacement shows the direction and magnitude, and I repeated, it represented as an arrow that points from the starting point to the final position. Okay, and its symbol is delta x. Now velocity formula. What is velocity formula? V shows the symbol of velocity V, and velocity is equal to delta x upon delta t. Delta x upon delta t, where V is the average velocity, delta x is equal to displacement, delta t shows the change in time. It means that velocity formula is V is the average velocity, delta x is the displacement, upon delta t, which shows the change in time. V is equal to delta x upon delta t. Now in equation V is equal to d upon t. V is equal to d upon t, where V is equal to velocity, d is equal to distance, t is equal to time. We have to calculate velocity by this formula. D upon t, d is the distance, t is the time, v is the velocity. Okay, now three formula for the velocity. Three equations are: number 1, v is equal to u plus at, v square is equal to u square plus uas, s is equal to ut plus half at square. These are the three formula for velocity. Three equations are there from which velocity has to be found. V is equal to u plus at, v square is equal to u square plus uas, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now another question has to be raised: how do you calculate velocity? Velocity, which we represent from v, is a vector quantity, as you all know, and that measure displacement, change in position over the change in time, delta t. Position is delta s, represented by the equation v is equal to delta s upon delta t. It means that change in position upon change in time. Velocity is equal to change in position upon change in time. Change in position represents delta s, change in time represents delta t. So why velocity is calculated? It's the another question. Velocity is a measure of how quickly any given object moves. So it can be defined as the change in position of an object divided by the time. When the position of the object has to be changed, then and divided by the time, then velocity is to be calculate it. So it's all about the velocity, displacement, hyperbolic angle, hyperbolic function, velocity formula, three formulas of velocity, various type of velocities formula, and rapidity. This all over about the velocity. So please subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel, and like my video and share my video, and thanks.